So if you're wanting to set up no index, no follow on your WordPress website, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways of doing it. Well, first let's start by talking about why you'd want to do this. So if you don't want your website to be crawled, like say you're building this website and it's not completely finished, and you don't want Google to actually crawl the website yet, you can set the entire website to no index, no follow. And then sometimes, like say you have a page that's like a login portal or something that you don't want Google to be crawling, there's a way to set individual pages of your website to no index, no follow. There's not necessarily an example on this website, but I'm just going to show you how this would work so that you can apply it to your WordPress website. So the first thing we're going to do is set the entire website to no index, no follow. And the easiest way to do that is to install this file manager plugin. It's called Advanced File Manager by Modal Web. It's got all 5-star reviews, 60,000 installs here, 60,000 plus installs. So it's a great plugin for editing the files on your website without having to mess with your server. So once you have it installed, you'll see this file manager option up here. When you click on that, it'll pull up this window where then you can edit the actual files on your website. So we have a robots.txt file already on the site, and it's set to only disallow the login and then allow basically everything else. So right now, Google, when it crawls this site, it's going to crawl the entire website. But if we want to set it so that Google won't crawl the website, what we can do is drag and drop a robot.txt file in here. And we already have one in, so it's asking if we want to replace it. We're going to say yes. It's going to replace that file. And now when we open it, it's going to show disallow, and then this / means disallow the entire website. Basically all that means is that when Google scans the website, it's going to pull up this robot.txt file and it's going to say, oh, I shouldn't crawl this website or index it. So it's going to completely remove the entire website from Google's index. And ultimately you want to do that at the outset if, like, let's say you're building this website and it's just in draft, like you're just putting it together and you're not ready for Google to index it. You want to set this up beforehand so that Google won't index your website. So that's how to set the entire website to no index, no follow. The other option is to set individual pages to no index, no follow, and we're going to do that using the Yoast plugin. So if you just search for Yoast, go to add new plugin here, search Yoast, you'll see Yoast SEO by Team Yoast. Really popular plugin, over 5 million active installs with basically all 5-star reviews. So you'll install and then activate that plugin. Then once you do that, let's say we don't want this lawn maintenance page to be indexed. We can go ahead and edit that page. So I just opened it in a new tab here. And when we pull this page up, at the bottom, there's going to be this Yoast SEO block here. And at the bottom of that, there's an advanced option setting. And you can see allow search engines to show this page in search results. You can mark this as no, and then allow search engines to follow links on this page. So that's essentially the first one's no index and the second one is no follow. So if you have a page that you don't want Google to be looking at or following links from, you can just set these both to no and then click update, and that's going to prevent Google from indexing this page and also prevent it from following any links that are on this page. So like let's say you have a hidden page that links out to some resource that you don't want to share your link power to, then you can set it to no index, no follow. So we'll use this oftentimes when we're building a new page. So we can build the page and make sure everything looks good. While we're building it, we have it set to no index, no follow. Then when we're ready to take the page live, then we set it to index and follow, and then Google can come through and crawl the page and put this page in the index where people can find it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer your questions there. And until next time, take care.